Hi, this is Whitney with PolicyPak software, and in this video, we are going to learn how you can take security settings from your existing GPOs, export those as XML, turn them into an MSI, and then deploy them using whatever MDM service you are already working with. Sound good? Let's learn how. So, the first thing you're going to need is that existing GPO. We've got one right here. We're going to edit, and this GPO contains a security setting to rename the guest account from just plain guest to PolicyPak guest. It's pretty simple, but it's going to let us get the job done. So let's come down here to the GPO Reductions and Transitions pack. We'll go to the GPO Export Manager, and we are going to export security settings. This is going to allow us to export this as XML for later use. So we'll hit Next. We're going to see that the rename the guest account setting that we have in here is indeed able to be exported. We can choose to put item level targeting filters on there if we want. And then we're just going to save this right to my XMLs folder, and we will call this rename guest. We'll save, and that's that. That's all we had to do. That was quick, that was easy, but now we've got an XML sitting there, so what are we supposed to do with that? Well, the next thing we're going to need to do is turn that XML into an MSI. In order to do that, you're going to need to go find the exporter tool. You'll find that on any machine where you have installed the Admin Console MSI. I find mine here up in the most used. You will probably find yours down in PolicyPak right here under Exporter Tool. We are going to create a new MSI installer, and we are going to add existing files. We'll go here, call it Rename Guest. This is installed for the computer, so we'll hit Next. We will leave this as Package PolicyPak Settings. We'll choose Next, and Next again. We'll just call this Exported GPOs, and we'll save, and there we are. Now we just have to get that MSI over to your endpoint. We're going to use just a little bit of movie magic to take us right here to the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center, where we can go ahead and add and deploy that MSI that we just created a couple of minutes ago. We'll use a little movie magic to get it all deployed, and we'll come right back. All right, and we are back. So now we can come over to our MDM enrolled machine, and we can see that we were successful because we have our package PolicyPak settings on this machine. And if I come over here, we can see that indeed we have renamed the guest account. It is PolicyPak guest. And there you have it. We were just able to take existing security settings from an GPO that was already in your environment. Then we exported those, turned them into an MSI, and then deployed them using an MDM service and saw the magic on the other end. If this is as amazing to you as it is to me, then get in touch with us and we will be happy to get you started on a 30-day free trial right away. Thanks so much.